So, boys and girls, how's it going? Truman here, and it's been a while since we did one of these. You laugh, you lose, original content, got the gray hair. Who am I now? Say in the comments who do I look like, but anyways, how's it going? We're gonna do some funny anime crack, and oh god, dude. This is gonna be bad. I already know it. Anyways, let's just start it. It's gonna start like...
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
It starts like
Do you
that.
ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
What? What? Why? Why does that guy look so intense? He's just letting his ass get slapped. I mean, doesn't every guy like to get his ass slapped here and there? You know? I mean, I would want my friend here. I'm gonna try to add Adam's little tiny avatar from Discord on that guy's face because I want Adam to do that to me. Anyways, okay, let's go.
Big brother, I want you to give me your pink
Oh
juicy
no,
pink
it's hogging it. This is great anime.
You need Jesus.
Hey! It's funny because he doesn't know it's my dinner tonight.
Wait, but that's actually the anime. She tries to eat him alive. Spoilers, if you guys haven't seen Tokyo Ghoul. You guys better have seen Tokyo Ghoul, because if you haven't, then you're just dumb. Shots fired. What are you going to do about it? I don't know. Okay, let's go. Shut up, Truman. This is what's wrong with 2017 animes. Because this is, for some reason, one of the highlights of 2017. Ah, man. 2018, though, it's going to be a good year. This is going to be a good year of anime. Some good stuff already came out. Anyways, come on, Truman, shut up.
What the hell are you doing?
Slowly removing my clothes in front of thousands of men who desperately need a good fap.
I swear, I step away for 1 second,
I'm not laughing.
and this happens.
It was bound to happen at some point.
No, it wasn't. You're out of line, you whore.
No, I'm not.
You're not?
These aren't the pantsuit you're looking for.
What?
Crap, my Jedi mind tricks didn't work. Want to fuck on cam in front of thousands of strangers?
You're not even old enough to ask me that. Oh god, my boss is dropped.
I'll split tip money with you.
All right,
Well,
I'm in.
Wait, is this actually, like, did somebody do an abridged to the show? That'd be great. Holy crap. Good on you guys. Whoever did that, good on you. If you guys made an abridged of the show, I mean, that was already funnier than the actual anime. I'm not going to lie. Okay, no, the anime's pretty good. I'm not going to lie. But still, that was quality gold. Let's keep going.
Hello? Hi, your big brother's trying to force himself onto me.
What, the expletive? No, I'm not.
Rape is happening. Brother, I'm calling the police.
Don't you dare.
I'm a Futanari.
What?
What?
Time to go.
Kids, if you don't know what a futanari is, don't look it up.
Welcome to the jungle, bitch!
Oh, what was that song? Fun fact for you guys, great anime, new season or movies gonna come out this year. Holy crap, go watch it, great anime. Anyways, let's go. Yep. Because hair physics. I'm not laughing.
Whatever. Anyway, I need you to pick up this girl.
Can I put it in her?
She's my cousin.
So just the tip?
She's my cousin!
So just the tip.
Pick her up after school. Don't do anything to her, and you get to live.
Roger that, woman who made me piss myself.
Please swallow before speaking to me.
Sorry, I was just... Wait!
This anime is great too.
Hold on.
Wait.
Bingo!
Son of a bitch.
見てください。ほらここ。そっくり同じですよ。宇佐美さん。
Oh, oh. No, you guys, I'm hyperventilating. I'm hyperventilating. Nothing more than that. Okay. Okay. Wait. Woo! I didn't lose. I didn't lose. Oh, this is Fate Stay. I've never watched the anime. Wait, why is Connor there? Wait, why is Connor there? Oh God. This is great. Some great editing. This is, oh my God, props. Oh God.
はい、すいません。ということでね。
申し訳ない。
ちょっと危ないじゃない。
え、どうなの？
Why?
ここは小さい子もよく来るからやめた方がいいわよ。
This is my twin sister. Her name, fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck me. See? Drop it. Yeah.
All right, students, turn to page 42 and take off your pants. Take out your pencils.
Whoa, what?
Go ahead and take out your cocks. Your pencils, shit!
You shall be punished for your crimes, villain.
Oh,
for
my
no
God,
evil
yeah.
can hide from my morning wood. Fear my...
No one can handle my morning wood.
Rising justice.
Sup, bro?
I have a thing for big ladies.
But my rising justice.
My justice is rising right now, if you know what I mean.
God. Oh.
Hell.
Oh.
Yeah, you're an ass cancer.
Oh my goodness, that's horrible!
You thought I was serious? I was just kidding.
Oh my God, Decky's face.
Oh, no, but seriously, your son is quirkless.
Oh God, why isn't it cancer?
Don't make jokes about cancer. Wait, is this SWAT? No. Really? We're just gonna... Yeah, no, we're not dealing with that. No, we're not dealing with that. Nope. That was just stupid. Okay, some action. Ha ha ha, this is so funny. Ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha. Okay, this is an AMV? Okay, anyways. This one's pretty funny, and I'm just gonna give a shout out to Ken. He made a great. This is hilarious. Go freaking subscribe to. I'm subscribing. Subscribe to this guy. He's freaking funny. Anyways, you guys have a good day, morning, and night. I'm probably gonna do more of these because they're hilarious, and I love anime cracks. Maybe I'll get a hold of some of these people. Maybe they can make my own little tiny special anime cracks. I doubt it, because no one loves me, but. Whatever. Have a good day, morning, and night. I'll see you guys next time. Hit that subscribe button. Become the Truman Empire. Let's grow this shit.